Hey folks, I bought the cheapest soundbar I could find on Amazon. It's called the iJoy Ledge. This thing is wireless, it has Bluetooth, it's portable, it's got a battery built in. Obviously, you know, being portable, that kind of comes in handy. So I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna read to you. This is the iJoy Ledge 20-watt mini Bluetooth soundbar, wired and wireless. I purchased this thing for under $30. To find a soundbar under $30 is difficult in the first place, but this thing is portable with a battery, built-in Bluetooth. The specs for the money, it's pretty impressive. Now, I have no idea how this is gonna sound, so let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we have. Picked a nice day to not have my handy dandy pocket knife with me. Vigado! Come on. You can do it. I feel like they don't want me to get into this thing. Ha! Man, this thing is tiny. It's kind of neat though. Comes with a 3.5mm male-to-male cable and micro USB to USB charging. Got our little manual. So on the back of here, we've got a number of connections. We've got the micro USB right here. Then we have a full USB right here. We've got the 3.5mm aux port right here and the off-on switch. Then it looks like we have a micro SD card up at the top. Let's see if it comes with a charge. Flip it on. Oh wow, yeah, it's on. Pull out my handy dandy phone. iJoy Ledge, there we go. Well, that was quick. Showed up within a couple of seconds, connected within a couple of seconds. Not bad, so far so good. Now for the real test. So first thoughts, volume. It gets pretty loud. For the size that it is, it gets pretty loud. It's got decent highs, not awesome, not terrible. The mids, not much going on there. The lows, not much, even less going on there. This is not a bassy speaker by any means. Look at the size of it. In front of $30, I don't expect it to be either. You get what you pay for. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. Do I like it or don't I? I'm not let down for the price, but I'm also not impressed for the price either. Now, I'm an audiophile. It is hard to impress me when it comes to audio, but let's put that aside for a second. Let's say for everyday average consumers, it's better than what your TV's putting out, which is the point, right? Very, very likely better than what your TV putting out because it has more room. Your TV's probably not even this thick. There we go. It's got a rubberized coating all around it. The controls on the top says M, plus and minus for the volume, play, pause, and it's got a phone button here. Let's find out if this thing allows me to talk. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
I sure can.
Okay, let me put my phone down on the ground away and make sure you're not hearing on there. Okay, can you hear me now?
Mm-hmm.
Is it decent quality?
It's okay.
It's okay quality. You can understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Wow, this thing must have a built-in mic in it. Right in here. Am I getting louder right now?
Yes.
Okay, I found the mic, guys. Right here on the top, you got a little blue LED on this side, and then a hole on the other side. That's where the microphone is. Okay, baby, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Makes a real loud beeping noise whenever you disconnect from it, I guess. Ended a call. Well, I really don't know what else to say about it. It's small. It's got a couple little rubber feet on the bottom. It's super cheap. It works. Doesn't sound horrible. Doesn't sound amazing. I think you're getting what you paid for when you buy one of these. Pretty light. I'd say under 5 pounds. It may be 3 or 4 pounds. I don't know. You can put it wherever you want, really. It's not going to be a problem finding a place to put this near your TV, I don't believe. Got a cable that comes with it that 3.5mm. It's not very long. Pretty sharp. If you're hooking up via 3.5mm, I would advise you getting a longer cable. If your TV has Bluetooth, then you can just pair it and doesn't matter. The charging cable isn't that long either, so you'll have to have this thing very near wherever you plug it in to charge. It doesn't have a brick, it's just the cable, so you'll have to have your own brick or port to be able to plug this into. It sits at a slight upward angle, which is good. Obviously you don't want it pointing down. Straight out is okay, but a little upward angle is even better because generally you have a soundbar a little lower than where you're sitting, so it's coming up at an angle towards your ears, the direction of the audio. So final thoughts on this thing. I think it's a neat little soundbar. I think if you're just looking for something supplemental better than your TV speakers, I think you ought to give it some consideration. If you're looking for amazing sound, really great sound, this isn't gonna be the ticket. You're not gonna be happy with this if that's what you're going for. If your grandparents need something that's louder than their TV, or maybe that they can turn down because it's placed next to them rather than being on the other end of the room and they've got it blaring up, but you don't want to spend $100, $200, $500 on a really nice one, this might be the ticket for you. You know, you can pick one of these up if their TV is compatible with Bluetooth. Hook this up, put this right by them. They'll be able to listen to the TV and hear it at a lower volume, so everybody else around isn't screeching and doing this. So that's one plus about it being wireless. And the price, I mean, goodness, I just checked the price. I don't know what they're at right now as you're watching this, but I just checked the price on my phone. It's $21.99. I mean, goodness, what can you expect for that? I mean, it's sufficient, it works, produces intelligible audio. All in all, it's all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed, if you'd consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, maybe like this video, it really helps us out. Also, praying for everybody out there. You guys stay safe out there. Make sure you come back because you never know what we're going to have next. Thanks for coming. I hope you have a great day. That's one of them whatchamacallits. You put that for the TV and you turn it on and you blare it out. Did I really just forget that melody?